Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will be repeating affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements to help us feel good and overcome negative thoughts. In your mind, repeat each affirmation after me. Then, picture yourself as if that affirmation were true. For example, if the affirmation is, "I am kind," repeat that phrase in your head, then picture yourself like you were in a movie, doing something kind. Let's begin. I can do hard things. Repeat the statement, and then imagine yourself doing something that you find difficult. I try my best. I am a leader. I believe in myself. Good things come to me. I am safe. I am so loved. People notice me. I speak the truth. All of my problems have solutions. I never stop trying. I have a lot to be grateful for. I embrace all challenges. I have great ideas. I am confident enough to participate fully. People are proud of me. I can learn from my mistakes. I can fix my mistakes. Now take a moment to relax and continue to imagine yourself with these affirmations being a real part of who you are. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.